These are the trades I made using this super profitable strategy, which I'm about to show you in this video. Let's dive in. I know the chart looks a bit cluttered, but trust me on this. Stick around as we'll break down each indicator in detail, covering the best settings and the entry and exit conditions. We're going to build this strategy step by step, starting with adding the indicators. We need 4 indicators. A quick pause here. If you haven't watched my video about how to use more than just 2 indicators on TradingView's free plan, I'll leave a link to that just before the end of the video, so make sure to stick around till then. To add these indicators to your chart, go to TradingView, load your preferred chart. You can also check the description for my best suggested timeframes and pairs, then click on indicators and type in DMI selected under the technical tab. The DMI will provide our buy and sell entry signals. This indicator combines 3 separate indicators: the average directional index, the positive directional indicator, and the negative directional indicator. To set up this indicator, access the settings panel and make some adjustments. Uncheck the ADX plot, change the plus DI color to green, and the minus D color to red, then click OK. Here's how we'll use this indicator whenever the green line crosses above the red line. It signals a potential buy. Conversely, when the red line crosses above the green line, it signals a potential sell. These crossovers will be our main signals for entering trades. To filter out false signals, we'll use a short-term trend and momentum filter indicator. In the indicator search tab, type in 1 minute easy scalping and select the one by bull trading. This indicator has several components we don't need, so let's tweak the settings. In the style tab, uncheck the last 6 options and change the second bar colors to yellow. Then in the inputs tab, reduce the trend length period to 85 and click OK. Elevate your trading game to new heights. Look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a Funded Next account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Funded Next, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets Funded Next apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With Funded Next, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With Funded Next, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about what you'll get? Don't pay. With our 24-hour payout guarantee, your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. This indicator includes a trend ribbon and bar colors. A green trend ribbon indicates a bullish trend, and if the candles are also green, it's a strong bullish trend. Yellow bars indicate weakening bullish momentum. Conversely, a red trend ribbon signifies a bearish trend, and red candles indicate a strong bearish trend. Yellow bars here indicate weakening bearish momentum. To combine these 2 indicators for trades, here's what you do. For a long trade, wait for the green line on the DMI to cross above the red line, and during the crossover, the EASM TF system should color the candle green with the trend ribbon also green. Then you enter a long trade. For a short trade, the red line should cross above the green with the crossover candle and trend ribbon both red. To enhance this strategy, we'll add 2 more indicators. In the indicator search tab, type in EMA and select moving average exponential, then type in ATR stop loss finder and select the one by verified. Double click on the EMA to access the settings panel. Change the length to 200 and set the EMA color to white. For the ATR stop loss finder, change the multiplier to 0.85. Disable the tables option and click OK. Now that we've added all 4 indicators to our chart, the next step is to use them to take trades. But before that, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button below. It really motivates us to keep creating valuable content for you. Here's how to take a long trade with this strategy. The price should be above the 200 period EMA, indicating a long-term bullish trend. The easy MTF systems trend ribbon should be green, indicating a short-term bullish trend. The green line on the DMI should cross above the red line, giving a buy signal. The crossover candle should be green, indicating strong bullish momentum. The crossover candle should open and close above the easy MTF systems trend ribbon. When all these conditions are met, enter a long trade. Use the ATR stop loss finder to set your stop loss at the bottom horizontal line for buy trades. Set your take profit at 2.5 times the risk. For short trades, the conditions or the price should be below the 200 period EMA, indicating a long-term bearish trend. The easy MTF systems trend ribbon should be red, indicating a short-term bearish trend. The red line on the DMI should cross above the green line, giving a sell signal. The crossover candle should be red, indicating strong bearish momentum. The crossover candle should open and close below the trend ribbon. When these conditions are met, enter a short trade. Set the stop loss using the ATR stop loss finder at the top horizontal line for sell trades. Set your take profit at 2.5 times the risk. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Remember, the real strength of this strategy comes from the perfect synergy of these carefully selected indicators working together to spot the best trades for you. Before diving in, practice this method well and consider adding your own touch to it. This video is not financial advice, but a guide to help you improve your trading skills. As I'm a man of my word here with the video I promised in the beginning of the video plus more, make sure to watch them and believe me, you'll not regret it. That's it.